Hi everyone, and welcome to our 2019 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper dive into the 8 trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there's a link below in the description. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Moonstruck trend. Popular in folklore and superstition, moon phase gardening is an idea as old as agriculture, but new concepts and scientific ideas are reconnecting people to their roots. The moon is appearing more in design than ever before, from watches to wedding gowns. Connecting with the phases of the moon taps into our desire to be in tune with nature. Since the moon and stars are appearing more often in designing gardens for the moon makes perfect sense. While moon gardens are not a new idea, many are just now learning of the concept and looking to utilize the moon in their daily lives, from planting around the phases of the moon to hosting their own moonlit events. Although the Farmer's Almanac has been printing a planting calendar based on moon phases for years, many home gardeners don't know they can reap the benefits of planting by the moon too. Lunar planting is the belief that phases of the moon affect plant growth, but why is that? The science behind moon phase gardening is the same that goes into the tides. The moon and the sun affect Earth's gravitational field, which creates tides, and just like large bodies of water, the moon affects small ones as well, causing the moisture in the soil to rise and encourage plants to grow. Major benefits of lunar planting include quick seed germination, faster growth in new shoots and sprouts, and stronger plants with fewer pests and diseases. It even makes weeding easier since the ground is more saturated. During this phase, the moon pulls the moisture from the soil up and causes the seeds to swell and sprout, stimulating root and leaf growth. This phase is best suited for planting above-ground annual crops, such as broccoli and other leafy vegetables. The moon's gravitational pull isn't as strong during this phase, but since the moonlight is stronger, leaves grow more robust. Gravitational pull is the strongest during a full moon. Moisture from the soil rises up, resulting in better root development, so plant root crops and bulbs during this phase. This is a resting period due to the weak gravitational pull and lunar light. This phase is used for maintenance like transplanting, pruning, fertilizing, and harvesting. Moon gardens are designed to make it possible for you to enjoy them at night, even without filling your backyard with artificial light. White or bright foliage, as well as night and fragrant bloomers, are best for moon gardens. So even in the absence of moonlight, your garden will be full of aroma that you can appreciate anytime. Some suggestions are lamb's ear, white echinacea, or white muscari, which glow in a night garden, while night-blooming fragrant flowers like evening primrose, angel's trumpet, or moonflower will awaken the senses. Are pests ruining your enjoyment? Keep biting bugs away with white marigolds, lavender, rosemary, and other insect-repelling plants. And as an added bonus, moon gardens will attract different nighttime pollinators. And as always, for more information or to see what else we have to offer, visit our website at www.gardenmediagroup.com.